Hello everyone, welcome to Smile and Learn ABC. Hello little learners, let's learn a new letter today.
Today we are learning the letter C. This is the letter C.
C is for car.
C is for cat. C is for cow. Moo!
C is for cake. C is for crayon.
Let's draw a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yay, a rainbow! C is for carrot. Watch it pop out of the ground.
C is for chicken.
Clap, clap.